Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Lucknow? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Lucknow. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Paramount Coaching. In this institute, they'll teach you all the shortcuts for your competitive examination, and the study booklet is something which you all don't want to miss because the booklet is filled with new and remarkable techniques. Further, the infrastructure is nicely built for your preparation and the study environment is one of kind and filled with tranquility. Moreover, this academy provides quality education and at the cost-effective fee structure. The academy's faculty is known for their devotion and they all are fully devoted towards their aspirants and well trained in explaining each subject very clearly. Okay, now let us talk about the address and the other details of Paramount Coaching. The address of the institute is HIG 75A, 1st and 2nd floor, Sector E, Kapurthala Road, Aliganj, Lucknow, UP 226024. The contact number includes 0522-402-9823 and 8860-33333. Okay, now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So, the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 14,000 for 6 months, and in this, English and Maths are included for lifetime. The batch size of the institute is 90 to 100 students in a batch. At rank 4, we have Gautam Competition. Gautam Competition is academy and is one of the reputed coaching in Lucknow for SSC. The faculty is highly qualified and experienced in their teaching techniques. They motivate you towards your excellent and scintillating career goals. Further, Gautam Competition only aim to serve excellent coaching classes and education for their deserving aspirants. The booklet is a perfect blend of strategies and the most important thing is infrastructure, which is also excellently built and properly equipped. The fee structure is also nominal in nature. So, now let us discuss the further details of Gautam Competition Academy. So, the address of the institute is Tiwari Bhavan Swatantrata Girls Degree College, Sneh Nagar, Kanpur Road, near Singar Nagar Metro Station, Alambagh, Lucknow, UP 226005. The contact number of the institute is 073908-20777. Okay friends, now let us discuss the fee structure and the batch size. So, the fee structure of the institute is a sum of rupees 6,500 for 6 months and this is for Hindi medium. The batch size of the institute includes 30 to 40 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 5 institute, is Success Ladder. Success Ladder, as its name suggests, this success ladder will lead you towards your luminous career without any hurdle. The inception year of the academy is 2016. Success Ladder is the player in this competitive exam world and caters all the needs of their students. In this short span of time, they gain lots of popularity among their aspirants. In addition to this, Success Ladder is well known for their faculties under the affordable fee structure. The study materials are up to date and the study environment is perfectly built for their hardworking students. Okay friends, now let us discuss further details. So, the address of Success Ladder includes 47 Vivek Khand near Domino's Captain Manoj Pandey Chauraha, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow, UP 226010. The contact number is 099350 Okay friends, now let us discuss the fee structure and the batch size. So, the fee structure of the institute is Rs 8,000 for 6 months and the batch size of the institute includes 30 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Lucknow. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.